Hey there, I'm excited to share my personal fitness journey with you. I survived a cycle of ineffective workouts and I spent a lot of time and money on routines that didn't deliver. But I saved myself from frustration by building a new, targeted routine that really works to burn belly fat. I got tired of seeing no progress, so I replaced 6 common exercises with these game changers. Burpees. I swapped out boring cardio for burpees. This powerhouse move engages your whole body, torches calories, and targets that stubborn belly fat. Hanging leg raises. Instead of crunches, I started doing hanging leg raises. They focus on the lower abs and really helped flatten my belly. Side planks. I incorporated side planks to tackle those love handles. They're perfect for improving core strength and stability. Kettlebell swings. I replaced ineffective sit-ups with kettlebell swings. They work your core while providing a killer full-body workout. Mountain climbers. Adding mountain climbers to my routine was a game changer. They boost your cardio and engage your entire core, helping to burn fat and build endurance. Russian twists. Russian twists became my go-to for targeting the obliques and achieving a toned midsection. I faced challenges some days were tough, and it took time to see results, but I got through it with persistence. The results were incredible. My belly fat melted away, and my confidence soared. Mentally, I felt stronger and more motivated than ever. Are you in a busy life? Fresh Juice Original solves it. Make fresh smoothies anywhere with over 100 5-star reviews. Plus, enjoy free shipping. Check the link in the description to get yours now. Facing pain, low energy, or mobility issues. Strength Training for Seniors offers 45 easy exercises to boost strength and confidence. Get your copy with 5-star reviews and free shipping now. Link in description. To keep track of your progress, use a fitness tracker. If you're looking to boost your fitness, the fitness tracker solves the problem of tracking your health metrics effortlessly. Monitor calories, steps, and sleep with this waterproof smart band. It's a game changer for staying on top of your fitness goals. Get yours now with 5-star reviews and free shipping. Click the link below. Try these exercises yourself, stay consistent, and watch your body transform. You've got this.